I chose pharmacy because it's a mix of healthcare and science. I wanted to be like my grandpa. He is a doctor specialized in pharmacology. I transferred here. I went to Slippery Rock. I would recommend Duquesne because there's a lot of resources for students to ask about anything and everything. The class is like very supportive of each other. And if you reach out to anyone, they'll be there for you, whatever you need. I want to be a compounding pharmacist because it's like a mix of science and healthcare. So it's more specific to each patient. They like mix the creams and put the mixture of the drug in the capsules. My other option is community pharmacist in an area of underrepresented people where they can come to me for any questions they may have so they can feel comfortable with someone that looks like them and can speak their language.